Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. My name is Travis from Hardball Outdoors. This is Nick Egger, one of my students here at Big Spring. And we are going to show you guys today Nick's turkey hunt on Youth Day here in Pennsylvania. He went out for his very first time ever, and man, we had a heck of a hunt. But we went out the day before, and tell them a little bit about what we saw the day before.
So yeah, we went out, we saw, or I knew that there was turkey on the property, and it's just a matter of where we were going to be setting up and where the turkey were going to be at. We went out, we saw some good signs, and tried roosting them, but just couldn't get anything to answer back or couldn't figure out where they were at. So it was a bit frustrating trying to find them and get them roosted for the night.
And that's the one thing that can deter you. You go out there and you expect to roost a turkey the night before, and it just doesn't happen. But we went into the hunt with some pretty cautious optimism because we knew there were birds out there. And we got in there early the next morning, it got set up, and man, when it started, it was over in no time. So we didn't get a ton of footage of the birds coming in because it was dark, but man, it was a fun hunt. So let's go ahead and check that hunt out right now.
There's 3 of them.
Heck yeah, brother!
Yes!
Yeah!
Yeah!
Yes!
Let's go!
Woo!
Yeah! That's a nice one too.
Yes!
Yes!
Nick!
Yeah!
What did we just do, dude?
He's got
What
a
did we
nice
just
bird.
do? I could not see him coming in because the tree was my left.
I had him. I saw him. You see over.
Yeah.
He came in straight.
I saw
in
them straight
front of
ahead.
us.
They come around. They were coming
He
in the
comes.
decoys.
Came up and around.
But I saw them start
Yeah.
they saw you or saw something, and they didn't like what was going on.
No, they did not.
That is freaking awesome.
Yeah.
Woo!
I saw both of them come in. Like that big ones looked really nice. I was like, looked good on the wall.
Alright, dude, let's walk up here, check it out.
Bottom of the head.
Right where you needed to be, bud. Youth Day, Pennsylvania. We came in last night and actually tried to roost some birds last night. I didn't really get a whole lot of footage because it's the first time here at the property here with this Nick Egger, and first time at the property. And we come up and check things out, saw some sign.
Yeah.
And they didn't start gobbling until well after daylight. Let's see, I'd say they started gobbling 6:05, 6:10.
Yeah, something like that.
And what time did we kill them?
About 6:20.
6:30.
Yeah, something
So
around there.
once they gobbled out here in front of us, I just light called. I got a Jake and a Strutter out, and they come in and checked it out. And Nick made a good shot. He swung and got him. Heck, not even 20 yards. So.
Yeah.
That tail fan up there, show him. Spread that jig around. That's a nice one. Got a nice beard on him.
Yeah.
Paintbrush on that thing.
Yep.
Now we're gonna make some phone calls here.
Yeah.
Get a hold of some people, and there's a lot of people want to know, but this right here means more to me than if I would have killed one the first day. And I'm just so glad that I got the opportunity to come out and get Nick out here, and this is just so stinking awesome.
Yeah.
To be able to do this. So we're gonna get some pictures, make some phone calls here. So man, thank you so much, bud, for letting me come out and share this experience with you. We were pumped. I couldn't see him on camera because there was a tree there, and I'm off to the side of the tree, and we didn't have a very big tree, but this is where I wanted to sit, and I was covered up with my covering gear for my camera, and I couldn't see him. By the time I got him, they actually worked down this power line behind us off to the side where I couldn't see him.
Yeah.
2 birds came up to check out the decoys, and Nick said there was a third one behind that I didn't get on camera. So all right, man, congratulations.
Thanks.
Let's get this taken care of. Here's the setup this morning. Had a couple of decoys out. Wasn't sure I was being overly aggressive, but we saw some big tracks, and Nick sitting back here. I was just to his right, and the birds followed the script here. Come in, So hitting pretty decent, but it just all happened so fast.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. That was a crazy hunt and happened so fast. I mean, they came in, once they gobbled on a roost, they came in, and I was having trouble getting it focused on the camera because of the light, and they came into my left, and then they were out in front of Nick. So kind of tell them what they did from there.
Yeah, so they came in pretty fast on the left and, came over about quarter strut, come towards the decoys real quick. They turned away, thought something was up, and Barnes told me kill them, and that was that.
Yeah, you can maybe even hear it on the film there. They started to get a little squirrely, and I said kill them. And what was even more awesome is not only did Nick turn and just peel that guy right there as he stood, I was able to call those birds in with another one of my students' calls. Owen Hutchinson, Triple Beater Custom Calls, made some calls for me. So not only did one of my students get a chance to kill the first bird, but another one of my students made the call. So it was an awesome hunt. It was really neat. It happened fast. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the footage. And I know Nick's hooked now, aren't you?
Yeah, it was a lot of fun, and hopefully get more in the way next year.
Yep. All right. So thanks for checking in with us, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.